All right. Welcome to ShopKey Pro Access from Home. In order to access ShopKey Pro from home, we're going to need to utilize Citrix in the Chrome browser through Citrix. So if you've never run Citrix before, the first thing we need to do is go to PowerSchool and make sure we have the Citrix Workspace app installed. So I'm going to sign into PowerSchool. I'm going to go to the automotive course or whatever course you're currently in that needs access to ShopKey Pro. I'm going to click on Week 8 Vehicle Service Information. That was the page that we had some ShopKey Pro information on. And we are going to scroll down and find the Chromebook Citrix extension link. I'm going to click on it, and that's going to take us to the Chrome Web Store. And you'll notice here we have the Citrix Workspace by Citrix, and it's got this blue and white icon with concentric circles. Mine says Launch App because I've already installed it. Yours might say Install. So if it says Install, click Install. If it says Launch App, don't do anything. You're good to go. Once the app is installed, we don't actually launch the app directly. What we're going to do is go up to a new tab, and we're going to go to the website address https://remote.sasd.net. We're going to let that load, and then you'll see a spot for username. This is going to be your email username without the @sasd.net. You're going to enter in your Google password that you would use to log into your Chromebook or email, and then we want to make sure the domain is set to sasd.net. Then we're going to go ahead and click log on. Once we're in Citrix, the application we're interested in is Google Chrome. This is a different Google Chrome that's not going to be running on your Chromebook. It's actually running on a server outside of your Chromebook. But we're going to click on it to launch it, and then we're going to click on the download and wait for it to load. What you'll notice down in your application shelf is you'll get a second Chrome icon next to your Citrix Workspace icon, and then the little Chrome icon will have a Citrix icon on top of it. Okay, so that's how you know that you're in a different Chrome application. Now that we're in the Chrome application, we can simply go to www.shopkeypro.com. And you should be able to select Login. And ShopKey should load just like it would as if you were normally at school on the school's Wi-Fi. And then we can select Vehicle. And we can look stuff up like firing order. Okay, and we can also now use this for training and assignments. Any questions on the process? Send me an email. Mention it during class, during our Google Meets, Google Hangouts chat. And then when we're done, we can simply just close our browser. And then we can Close Citrix. We don't need that anymore. But that's how we access Citrix, as well as how we can access ShopKeep Pro through Citrix so that we can continue to do planned activities for class. Thanks for watching.